So great to see our friend Aaron Walquist with Habitat for Humanity and, of course, our favorite thrift superstore, the Restore. Come on.
Yeah. That's the only reason I came here is to show off the new T-shirt.
Look at your new T-shirt.
Nice.
Look at that.
Is it obvious what we're trying to say here?
That is a good-looking shirt,
There
my
we
friend.
go. Yeah.
Great colors, and it gets to the point.
It does. It does. Well, we're thinking about actually creating some T-shirts, design ideas. So if you have anything, for thrift shoppers. So you know, something cool.
Something is, like my brain is churning now, thinking about all the options.
Like something like, you know, maybe. I don't know. I can't come up with anything.
We'll come up with something.
Yeah, we'll come up with something.
But why?
I got this $50 T-shirt for $5
for $5
at the Restore.
Yeah,
There
and
it is.
for a cause. Yeah.
There you go.
Right.
We went
there you
percentage.
go. That's perfect.
Why is the Restore so important to have in our community?
Well, thrifting is awesome, but thrifting for a cause takes it to a whole nother level.
Yeah.
So what our mission is to put God's love into action by bringing people together to build homes, community, and hope. So whenever you shop, donate, or volunteer, you help us build, repair, and revitalize homes and our community. So it's not just thrift shopping.
Right.
And it's not just getting a good deal. It is going forward to build homes, repair homes, and revitalize neighborhoods. It's just a cool thing.
It's another trifecta. And this is no kidding. When you talk about, you know, the purchases that you can make there, it is amazing the quality of what you. This isn't just like trash to shop around through.
Yeah, you'll see some of those when we play the game later.
Okay.
We've got a few on that.
And by the way, the big tool belts and bow ties coming up next week.
Yes. So not only do we raise funds through the thrift store, we actually have a big event called Tool Belts and Bow Ties, and it's at the Oasis Convention Center. This year, we are building a home inside of the Oasis. I don't know if you have the picture of that, but there's Dockside Dreams. That is this next Thursday. So
a week
just
from
tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think there's another picture. There it is.
Oh gosh, look at that.
There it is. So inside of here,
there we
you'll
go.
see it. To the left there, that is where the home is going to be built. So it's going to be a frame. And you kind of look at it and go, how are you going to fit a whole home in there?
I was going to ask that. So is this one of those tiny homes?
No, it is a full-sized home.
Oh.
It's a 2-bedroom home that we're building in there. And the cool thing is we're going to have little Sharpies so that you can go in and sign it, leave your message. So that will be in the home of the people that, it's really cool.
It's a little
So you can
time capsule.
Yeah, it's a time capsule. So,
neat.
yeah, hopefully nobody ever has to rip down and see those, but you know it's there.
By the way, are tickets still available for the gala?
Tickets are, I say that hesitantly, I think we are really close to being sold out.
Well, that's a good problem.
Yes, it
Really?
is definitely a good problem.
So get your ticket now.
Yeah, get your ticket now. Get your ticket now.
And then what about a quick mention about the Rock the Block coming up?
Yes, Rock the Block. That is, actually, I do want to show, we are sponsor. You can sponsor a room in the house. So we're going to have pictures like this inside the frame, and then you can actually sponsor that room. And it helps go towards the build of the home. It's a really cool idea. But
that's a great idea.
It's an imagine what this would look like. It's not actually what, but it's going to be close.
That's fantastic.
So there's a really cool Spider-Man room, and because the kid loves Spider-Man.
With real spiders?
Real.
Well,
we could make it.
You want to sponsor it?
Yes.
Done.
But Rock the Block, yes, that is May 15th.
Okay.
And that is where we do neighborhood revitalizations. And we do 3 or 4 of these a year, and it's really cool. So we are looking for volunteers, so we're trying to get you early. If you are interested in volunteering and doing something really cool for the community and for the people there. A lot of these people cannot get out and do the yard work. They are either disabled, they have, they're too old.
You don't have to be an engineer to volunteer, in other words.
Right, exactly.
We need everybody.
Yep,
Right.
weed eat, mow, all kinds of stuff.
Okay, so hey, I love the Price is Right game. We're going to look at some items.
There we go.
And then I'm going to step back so I can look at this.
Okay.
And we have to try to guess the price.
Yes, and we're going to go from kind of a low, medium, high. Okay. These are all kind of lower
this
than we
is the
normally
low.
do.
Okay.
And this one we do not have a retail price on. We could not find one.
Okay.
Which might be the first hint since it's the low item.
I'll say $55.
And look at all the
Look
the
how they-
stuff down there. I mean,
Yeah.
it's solid wood.
It's solid wood.
Solid wood.
It's not pressed board.
Not pressed, no.
Well, I'd say about a buck and a quarter. 125.
125?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good
What is
guess.
it?
Yeah.
Let's
Good
see.
guess.
45. Ah,
Yeah.
I was kind of
Yeah.
close though, but
That
that's a
was-
great deal
that's
for
one of
solid
those-
wood.
Sometimes I look at them like, did they mismark that?
Right?
Well, if it's solid wood, yeah.
Right, yeah.
All right.
So
Okay,
here's
what is
another.
this?
Yeah, so this one does have a retail price on it. And this is an IKEA.
That's a pretty looking dresser.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna say it's regular $250. I'll guess then $149.
I think
This looks brand new still.
it is near new.
$149. Tom, what's yours?
I'm going to say 150.
Okay. Pew, sir.
Whoa,
85.
85.
Amazing.
Nice.
Okay, that's a great
Yeah,
price.
yeah.
Okay, one more.
One more. We've got
Okay,
time for.
got one more. Here we go.
All right.
I love that
Accent
chair.
chair.
Yeah, brand new. Brand new.
So I'm gonna say it's gotta be at least 350, at least, because it's so nice. Maybe 400.
I'm going to say 349.
And, okay, whoever gets this, I mean, if you get it on the nose, I will get you one of these T-shirts. How
Okay,
about
let's
that?
see.
All right.
Sweet. All right, and it is.
120.
125.
That's a great
Sorry.
price.
I'll still get you a T-shirt.
Boy, you got real safe on the
Yeah.
get you a free T-shirt.
Good to see you, Aaron.
Yes, thank you so much.